Hi friends, this clip is a part of SQL interview question series presented by Happy Interviews. The full video link is provided in the description of this video. Also, you can opt for our free mock interviews if you are preparing for SQL interview. Let's watch this video. What is normalization? How many normalization forms are there? So, normalization is a process of organizing the data in database to avoid data redundancy, insertion anomaly, update anomaly, and deletion anomaly. So, I will make a different video to discuss about this normalization in detail because it's a quite big topic. But here we can just see about the interview perspective that what we should reply if we are asked about normalization. Rest we will discuss in the tutorial. So there are three forms, or I should say that there are four forms. First and 1NF, 2NF, 3NF, and then BCNF. It is also called 3.5 NF. So what's the difference? There is a very little difference between all. In first normal form, the basic thing is that a table cannot hold multiple values. It should have only atomic values. What does it mean? Like if I say that there is a there is a table where I have student ID, student name, and contact number. And if one student has two contact numbers, so in a particular column of contact number, I have two entries. So that should not be present if our table is in first NF. So what we will do, we will split it into two rows where we will give one phone number, one contact number info in each row. So this is first NF. In second NF, what needs to be done is that the table should be in one NF, that no multiple values should be present, and second is no non-prime attribute is dependent on proper subset of any candidate key of the table. So what does it mean? That there is a table where we have a combination of two fields as a primary key, like I say, I have a student ID and department ID, and the combination of it makes the primary key. And there is some column in the table, in the same table, like department name, which is dependent on only department ID, not on student ID. So what is it? It is like only the subset of the primary key dependency is present there. What it says, that every field present in the table should be dependent on the full set of primary key, not only a subset. So what we will do to remove this, we will move this department column into a new table where there will be only two columns, department ID and department name, and then it will be in second NF. So I hope you understood this. Better you will understand in the tutorial only. So the only thing is that non-prime attribute is dependent on proper subset of any candidate key of the table. Okay, next is 3NF. A table is table design set to be in 3NF if the table must be in 2NF, and transitive functional dependency of non-prime attribute on any super key should be removed. So transitive dependency should be not be there. So what is transitive dependency? That if X is dependent on Y and Y is dependent on Z, this is called transitive dependency. So it should be removed. And how it will be removed? That X dependent on Y will be kept in one table, and Y dependent on Z will be kept on other table. So this is transitive dependency, and it should be removed to make the table in 3NF form. Then comes BCNF, Boise Chord Normal Form. It is an advanced version of 3NF. That's why it is also referred as 3.5 NF. So BCNF is stricter than 3NF. A table complies in BCNF if it is in 3NF, and for every functional dependency X dependent on Y, X should be a super key of the table. So only thing you need to know is that for every functional dependency X to Y, X should be a super key of the table. This is BCNF, and this is more strict than third normal form. What was third normal form? Which is in second normal form, and there should be no transactional dependency. And what is second normal form? That no primary key attribute is dependent on proper subset of candidate key. And what is first normal form? That there should not be any multi-value column present in the table. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel if you like the content, and opt for our free mock interviews today to boost your confidence in SQL interviews.